Ayun, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? So, ayun, today nakikita nyo sa ating title na we will be reviewing Memoirs de Montaigne or Montaigne, no? I'm not good sa French ko, no? You could check out kung papaano yung tamang pronunciation ni Bestie, ni CJ, no? Yeah, so Memoirs de Montaigne or Montaigne, no? This is the perfume that completes the Dreamer Collection, no? So Dreamer Collection, pinakita sa atin, no, starting late last year na Sir Greg Parilla together with Noah and of course the perfumer Sir Renato Lopena, no, they would be releasing a line, no, and that is called the Dreamer Collection, no? Pakita ko lang sa inyo, this is the Dreamer Collection. Of course, this is my box of Memoirs de Montaigne, no? And nakita natin, no, from Vieux Papier, no, Vieux Papier to Eclat Noir, no, and now meron po tayong Memoirs de Montaigne na nakaka-proud lang, no, kasi dinala tayo ni Greg, no, dinala tayo ni Pops Greg dun sa journey niya, no. It's always a delight for me, no, lalo na you are into the frag game, na again, no, I'm that type of frag head na hindi lang ako nag-stick sa mabango ba or hindi, no. Ako personally, I appreciate, I respect the art, the history, at nakakatuwa lang na may story to. And speaking of story, no, merong ano yung Dreamer Collection, merong representation sa mga period ng life ni Pops Greg, no. So number one na ni-release niya is Vieux Papier, no. So Vieux Papier, this represents his present na self, no. So yung old money vibes, no, yung dating ni Greg, no, hindi lang sa pormahan kundi of course yung humility, yung ano, no, yung quiet luxury, no. So yeah, Vieux Papier yung present niya. And then I believe January, no, ni-release naman yung Eclat Noir. So Eclat Noir is his future self, no. Kaya siya Black Forest Cake, no, kasi kumbaga in-associate ni Pops Greg yung idea ng success, no, sa smell ng Black Forest Cake, no. Of course, sabi niya na nung bata siya, nakakaamoy lang siya nakakakain lang siya rather ng Black Forest Cake pag merong mga celebration. And yeah, doon niya in-associate. So this is his future self, how he perceives success. At ngayon naman, of course, no, the last one, Memoirs de Montaigne, this is his perception, or this is his story of the past or the childhood na Greg, no. So yun, this is again, no, a collaboration from Pops Greg, Noah, and of course the perfumer, the Filipino knows himself, Sir Renato Lopena. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, naka-proud kayo, no, na you have represented well ang local perfumery. Ito pa lang sa release na to, no, and of course, no, the frag community is looking forward sa ano pa yung ma-achieve ng Filipino perfumery, lalo in the international stage. So yeah, Memoirs de Montaigne, no, this is the story of, again, no, Greg's childhood. And nakita naman natin yung parang promotional video, no, na he grew up in Rizal, no, and yung childhood niya, it's associated sa mountains ng Rizal. Of course, yung Filipino delicacy na suman, no, and of course suman, when you talk about suman, meron yung pandan leaves or banana leaves, no, merong mga green mango, no. So everything, no, everything in between, yun yung kumbaga olfactory journey ng past ni Pops Greg, no. So yun, Memoirs de Montaigne, no, this is Memories of the Mountain. So ang ganda lang nung inspiration, kasi naalala ko lang, no, may content ako na parang sabi ko, I have perfumes that reminds me of my past, no? Diba yung Cafe Tuberosa ng Atelier Cologne, and meron pa akong mga ibang binanggit. So for me, napakagandang story yon when you create a perfume or an olfactory representation of your past. So here we are, no, Pops Greg telling us his past, no, through Memoir si Montan, no. So ayun, before we proceed with our review, no, let me show lang sa inyo ulit, no, yung presentation. This is the box, no. Very similar pa rin, no, if you have owned Eclat Noir or Vieux Papier, no, very similar, no. Of course, yung kanyang image lang dito, no. Of course, this is the mountains, no, makita natin dito. And almost the same, of course, aside from the details, this is his letter, no, sa mga bumili, at makikita natin yung notes dito, may pirma si Pops Greg, no, and of course makita natin yung main accords, Green Mango and Suman, no. Very very bold, no, na you represent, no, or you create a perfume that smells like Suman, no. So for me, that's bold, that's really daring, no. Ang galing lang, no, galing lang for me. So presentation ng box, no, of course bottle, no, same pa rin sa mga nauna, no, very simplistic. This is a 50 ml na bottle, no, and by the way, I don't know if you could see, this is pressurized yan na sprayer, and very basic lang, no, GP sa cap, no, of course Greg Parilla, and yung bottom, of course, yung production date and all, no. So yeah, that's the presentation. Perfume notes, no. Again, the main accords na nakalagay dito are Green Mango and Suman. When you say accords, no, hindi sila yung real thing. So ang ginagawa, I believe, ng perfumer ay gumagawa sila or gumagamit sila ng iba't ibang mga notes to represent a certain smell, no. I've tried discussing that, no, sa mga past videos ko, halimbawa yung gunpowder accord, no, or yung accord ng blood, no. So you make use of multiple notes, no, to produce, when combined, no, it produces that certain smell. So main accords yun, and here are the notes. Top notes, bergamot, no, juniper berries, cypress and ginger. Mid notes are bamboo, apple and coconut, no, and base notes are mahogany, vetiver filipina. Of course, this is again, no, endemic, no. Diniscuss yan ni Sir Greg, no, ni Sir Renato, no, sa Vieux Papier. Endemic yan sa Philippines, no. So oak moss, labdanum, musk and vanilla. So you know, the question is, how does it smell, no? On the technical side, no, for me personally, again, disclaimer, this is my personal experience, no. Yung experience nyo may vary from mine, no. Siguro iba yung experience sa frag. Well, I've tried wearing Memoirs de Montan, no. I've received this more than a week ago, pero pumunta kasi akong Palawan, uwi ko lang recently, no. And I've tried wearing this, hindi lang sa malamig na Baguio, kundi sa mainit na Palawan, no. So yeah, siguro I could say na enough na experience ko to review, no. But again, no, this is my personal take dito sa Memoir si Montan, no. Kasi disclaimer lang, guys, no, kasi bawa sa Vieux Papier, no, lalo na sa Vieux Papier, nakita naman natin maraming negative na comments, no, hindi nila nagustuhan, etc. Well, again, no, it's subjective kasi. Sometimes yun nga yung sinasabi natin, minsan kasi nagpapadala kayo sa hype, no, and you have to yung mga nagre-review sa inyo, no, kahit sabihin nila na mabango for them, well, that's for them. Again, no, take note nyo, that's for them, that's subjective, no, and yung mabango sa kanila baka hindi pasok sa inyo. So yeah, yun lang yung disclaimer ko, no. So for me personally, no, on the technical side, this starts off fresh, sharp, no, invigorating, green, piney, fresh na woody, no? Parang ganun, no? And naglalaro lahat yung freshness na yun, no? Pero immediately, no, those are all met ng amoy ng coconut at apple, no? So if you try to imagine, so it's fresh, it's piney, it's green, no, it's slightly green, no, it's slightly fruity, tapos may amoy ng coconut, parang gano'n, no? And as you go through the fragrance ng memoirs, no, you'd notice na there's a slightly mossy, no? Wag kayo matakot dun sa mossy kasi hindi siya yung parang mossy na older batches ng Aventus or even the vintage Givenchy Gentleman EDT, hindi po ganong oak moss. May oak moss tong memoirs, no, pero ito kasi it's really damp na forest na smell, no. Ito hindi naman ganun, pero definitely it's there, no. So slightly mossy, slight smell ng cinnamon, no, and yung earthy, dry, lemony effect ng Vetiver Filipina, no. So yun, no, yun yung scent profile niya for me. And para sa akin personally, no, I don't know if mag-agree kayo or even si Pops Greg at si Sir Renato, no. Para sa akin, hindi siya straight up gourmand, no. Kasi isipin natin suman so of course pagkain, no, it's gourmand, no, supposedly. Pero para sa akin personally, it's gourmand pero it does not parang fully reach gourmand parang territory. Paano ba? It's gourmand na hindi, parang ganun, no. It's gourmand pero maraming naglalarong facets ng parang may konti pang shipra, no, parang may ganun pang konting-konti. And it's woody aromatic, of course, no. Pero for me again, no, it's gourmand pero it's not fully gourmand, no, if that makes sense. So yun, yun yung scent profile for me on the technical side. And here are my observations, no. Ang tanong kasi diyan, amoy suman ba talaga, no? Amoy kakanin ba, like how it is being marketed ngayon, no? So ito yung observation. So again, no, this is my personal na observations. Number one, yung combination for me ng top, no, and mid notes creates this smell of suman. Take note, no, sa experience ko, kasi kukwento ko mamaya, no, bakit siguro medyo matagal or malalim yung experience ko sa kakanin, sa suman, no. Pero for me, no, take note, hindi siya yung suman na hindi matamis, kasi may suman na hindi matamis tapos lalagyan mo siya ng asukal. Meron ding suman na matamis na, no. Para sa akin, ito yung suman na matamis na, no. Ganun yung smell niya. Hindi siya yung parang hindi matamis na suman tapos lagyan mo ng sugar. Hindi siya ganun for me, no. So ganun siya, no, yung combination ng top and mid, no, creates the smell of that sweet na suman, no, kasama ng smell ng pandan leaves. So imagine yung smell ng suman tapos naamoy mo rin yung coconut tea, no, na fresh, slightly fresh na smell nung pandan leaves, no, kung saan nakapatong yung suman, no. And merong green mango on the side, no. Hindi prominent yung green mango, hindi siya sobrang in your face or forward, unlike the suman accord, no. Para sa akin, it sits on the background, parang ganun, no. And ayun, no, bakit ako familiar sa suman? Bakit sabi ko matagal yung experience ko sa suman? Well, on yung ano ko kasi, yung father side, mother side. So mother side ko, we are from Surigao del Norte. That's of course northern part of Mindanao, no. And isa sa delicacy at hindi nawawala sa mga handaan, no, lalo ng mga bata kami, ay mga kakanin, biko, of course suman, no, kasama yan. Tapos sa father side ko, iba Sambales yun, yung suman lagi yung nasa hapagkainan, no, breakfast, merienda, nandun yun lagi, no? So I'm really familiar doon sa scent profile na yun, sa smell ng suman, no? And personally sa akin, no, lahat yun na ang galing lang, no, kasi again, no, the story, the olfactory journey na dinadala ka ng perfume, no, para sa akin, no, it reminds me of my childhood, yung time na yun na napaka siguro laid back ang buhay, no, mas easy ang buhay kasi syempre habang tumatanda ka, mas nagiging complicated ang buhay, no, parang gano'n. And siguro ang ganda lang isipin na kahit sandali, no, parang for a moment, no, through olfactory means, no, na parang it could take you back, no, kahit konti, kahit sandali doon sa mga moments na yun. Well, ang galing na lang, no, kasi ganun I believe yung purpose ng perfume, it wants to take you back doon sa childhood ni Greg, no, na mas easy pa ang buhay, parang ganun, no. And isa yun sa purpose ng perfume sa gumagamit, no. So yeah, for me pa personally, no, it smells like of course kakanin. It also smells like mango sticky rice konti, no, with a green and again woody background as a summary, no. And one of the inspiration, ito yung second observation ko, one of the inspiration again of memoirs ay yung mountains ng Rizal. Most of the reviews na nakikita ko, they focus more on the suman, no, kasi yun nga, it's prominent, pero siguro as I was observing for more than a week itong Memoirs in Montan, no, I tried to look for the inspiration ng mountains ng Rizal. And apparently para sa akin, no, para siyang lumalabas sa base, no, after some time of wearing. Doon mo malalaman na nga, no, parang it has this mountainous imagery na lumalabas through the earthy, woody facets ng perfume without losing the smell ng suman. So ang galing lang, no. I think that's the magic of mahogany, no. Mahogany, no, from what I've researched, no, at yung mga na-try ko rin, mga na-smell ko rin dati na wood, no, parang it has a smell of cinnamon, no, para siyang green pero may tamis siya, parang ganon. Ang galing lang nung incorporation ng mahogany to create an anchored na notes, no, parang the mahogany note, no, for me it anchors the top and mid notes with the base notes, no. Ang galing, napakagaling ni Sir Renato, no, napakagaling, no. Naalala ko dito sa Eclat Noir, no, I've discussed that certain note, no, na ginagamit niya, no, to make everything cohesive, no. Ang galing ni Sir Renato, pambihira. Anyway, yun, no, so for me, yung early life, as a summary, yung early life ng perfume, it takes you to the smell of suman. And as you go through the base, no, it takes you naman to the experience of the mountains of Rizal without losing the suman smell, no. Ang galing, no. So yeah, overall, that's my experience both on the technical and on the more layman's term side, no, ng Memoirs in Montan, no. Performance, no, overall for me average siya. For the first hour, no, siguro I would say above average, no, kasi bumabato siya, pero hindi siya in your face, pero babato siya, no. And as the minutes, the hours pass by, no, napapansin mo na mas lumalapit na yon sa skin, no. And it creates a bubble, no. Most of the time, no, may bubble ka ng Memoirs in Montan. And longevity for me, okay lang din, parang around 6 to 7 hours sa skin ko, kasi yun nga, tinest ko siya sa mainit, sa malamig, and that's the average that I was getting, no, sa longevity niya, no. And ayun, next question, where can you wear this? Para sa akin, this is your daily driver, dumb breech, no. If you are looking for a freshy na unique, no, kakaiba, kasi baka sawakan na sa aquatic, fresh aromatic na frags, no. Baka you're looking for something fresh, something you could wear kahit saan pero unique pa rin, no? May kakaiba pa rin sa kanya. Definitely Memoir Simontan, for me personally, daily driver ko to, no. So yun, that's the overall observation from the scent profile to the performance. And final words, no, final words. I'm so proud of Sir Greg Parilla, no, Pops Greg. Everything that's happening to you, deserve mo yan, no, kasi ano grabe, you have worked, no, tirelessly to support local, no, from the inspired brands, no, to, of course, ngayon, no, we are now seeing the rise of our local own creation, no. Nakaka-proud lang, no, kasi we have seen, no, si Sir Greg, no, walang halong pambobola. We have seen Sir Greg na talagang, kumbaga, no, ni-represent niya, isa siya sa mga nag-represent talaga ng at nag-support sa local, no. And naka-proud lang, Pops Greg, no. Thank you so much for taking us dun sa journey na yon, from your past to your present and future representations ng isang Greg Parilla. And ang galing lang kasi lahat to, it's all your may storya, it's locally made, no, walang kopya, no, walang kumbaga, no, walang ibang inspiration na international frags, no, kundi ang only inspiration is your experience, no. So maraming salamat, Pops Greg, no. And number 2, no, naka-proud, no, ang local perfumery, no, lalo last year, no, hanggang ngayon, no, we have seen the rise, no, of many local houses, local brands, no. And I am personally rooting for all of you. I am looking forward for more, no. At sabi ko nga, no, ilang beses ko na sinabi to, na the best way to represent local Filipino perfumery is by creating our own, no. Guys, I have nothing against, again, no, sa mga inspired, sa mga local brands na gumagawa ng inspired perfumes or mga clones, mga dupes, no. That's part of the frag game, eh. Even ako, no, nagre-review ako ng mga inspired perfumes, no. Ang daming review sa inspired perfumes. Pero ayun nga, eh, if we want to represent the local scene to the international stage, no, we really have to create our own, no. Kasi mahirap namang makilala tayo na, uy, itong local brand na to, ang galing ng interpretation nila ng Ultra Male or ng Valentino Born in Roma Intense or ng Stronger With You Intensely or kung ano pa man, no. Okay yun, okay na nakikilala tayo. Of course, we are trying din, no, to help lalo yung mga nagsisimula sa game. And of course, economically wise, no, it's really helpful sa frag community. Pero as you go deeper sa frag game, you would realize na kailangan pala nating mag-represent sa Philippines, no. Kailangan makilala tayo, eh, in terms of perfumery. At again, no, ang only way to do that, no, is by creating our own, no. So yun lang, guys, no. Maraming salamat again, no. The Dreamer Collection, no, you could check out the shops, no. I believe parang nasa 1,300 to 1,500, no. Doon naglalaro yung prices, of course, with the vouchers ng Lazada, ng Shopee, even ng TikTok shop, no. So you could check them out, no. And yun, no, hopefully guys, somehow, naka-help sa inyo yung review na to. And again, if you find this helpful and if you find this interesting, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.